Welcome back on the Pursuit of Wealth, crypto traders and investors. It's Rod with POW Group, your home for MJ Stocks, crypto assets, news and interviews. Today is Friday. Happy Friday, July 18th. Hope you're doing awesome. And in this video, we're going to go over my sell targets, price levels with an example, and my overall exit plan when it comes to Hedera HBAR. I did a similar video for XRP. I got a lot of great feedback and a couple other stocks, and a lot of people were asking me to do one for HBAR. So I'll go over my exact plan, and do not take it as financial advice. Don't buy or sell anything based on anything that I say, right? Obviously, I own HBAR. We'll be going over my exit plan. We'll take a look at the chart and the price action, what to expect in terms of that as well. There is a bullish continuation pattern. President Trump, you can see here, he is officially on X here signing the Genius Act, video going around, going viral. This is a historic day for the US. We're about to see alt season kick into high gear here. If we take a look at the daily time frame here, we actually had a daily bull flag on pretty much all of our names in the crypto space, and it was no exception here with HBAR. You can see if you just take your measured move there from the low to the high, move it out to your 0.32 fib as the measured move, it's saying we're targeting about 39 cents, just under 40 cents. And if we take a look at the fib extension levels, this is a great way to basically predict where the price could go in new price discovery. If you haven't been at a certain level before, well, you have to kind of use different measuring ways to measure what we could potentially see. Obviously, like psychological numbers are going to be a big factor. If it's HBAR, $1 would be a huge resistance level and a huge accomplishment. But if we just do what Bitcoin and Ethereum did and hit our 3.618, that would mean we'd be at about $1.11 on HBAR. If we do the 4.618, which Bitcoin and Ethereum have done, that'd be around $1.40. I think somewhere around that $1 to $1.50 is the most likely scenario this cycle. Keep in mind, we are seeing legislation in the biggest economy and capital markets of the world finally getting clear rules of the road. If we get no tax cryptos and on the HBAR as well, this thing could easily be at $2 or $3. And we also had some POW algo buy alerts that went off on July 10th. And the 14th, we had an EMA 12 and 26 bull cross on the 14th. And then on the 10th, we had the bullish triple thunder crossover, which is when the price is crossing above the 10-week moving average. The MACD and the stochastic on the weekly, all three cross bullish simultaneously. And you can see if we just go to the daily time frame here, we saw tons of upside from that July 10th alert. You can see if we go to July 10th, from that close to the high, we were up about almost 60%. While we're on the topic of crypto, I want to share with you a new project that I'm super stoked about and the sponsor of today's video. They are behind a new Web3 play-to-earn game called Gold Inc., and it's actually a real mobile MMO game, not just some tap-to-earn clone. Full disclosure, this is a paid partnership and collaboration with Sapphire Studios. In the game, you build a gold mining empire, you can battle thousands of other players, and the real crypto that you mine and earn in the game is redeemable for real gold. Their token called SST is in pre-sale now at just a $10 million tiny market cap. And if you use my link in the description, you can earn up to 30% bonus SST for a limited time. You can also get 50% of the value of that in player game packs, which help you get started early in the game. And actually, as of today, July 18th, they're going to be doing 100% bonus, which will be going on for about another 14 hours. This is one of the most expansive Web3 games ever built, and here's a quick look at it.
Hello, my name's Colin Stone, your very own blockchain braveheart, and I'm here to talk to you today about my coin and game pick of the year. Do you ever wish you could have invested in billion-dollar market cap game coins like Axie Infinity at the start? Well, Gold Inc., a new game launching now, makes those look like they were made by a kid. In fact, that's why I believe Gold Inc.'s coin SST is the first coin in a long time with the potential to go up 900 times, because it's the first Web3 real-time strategy, massive multiplayer online game on mobile, and it's by far the most expansive Web3 game ever built. Its pre-sale is also at ridiculously low market cap, around $10 million for the next few days, and they are just about to launch the full game. Imagine someone building a mobile MMO game with a player-driven economy and player-governed political system where you can build a gold mining empire with your friends, and you're fighting against thousands of other alliances 24/7 to mine and steal crypto that is redeemable for real gold. That's Gold Inc. The reason SST is such a crazy buy is because Gold Inc. is not only the largest Web3 mobile game ever built, its team is obsessed with making it the greatest mobile game ever built. They plan to do this by adding the most addictive features from a lot of the most successful games on Earth, the best elements of games like Clash of Clans, Game of War, Pokemon Go, Clash Royale, Star Citizen, DayZ, Ark Survival, and many more in an effort to make a super game to rule them all. The beta is available now in Google Play and App Store, and you can still take part in their coin distribution at a tiny market cap for a few days. My advice? Buy at the coin distribution now while it's at the lowest price and start mining it in the game. Beta users get significantly more SST for a short time, and early alliances have a significant long-term advantage. The launch price on exchanges is set at 5 times the current price, and its use cases are next level. This is as close to buying Bitcoin at $10 as I've seen in a long time. Buy SST and play now.
There you have it. If you'd like to learn more, you can check out the links in the description and in the comment section. Once again, you'll get up to 30% bonus SST and 50% of that value in Gold Ink player game packs just for starting early. There will also be links for the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store where you can download the game today and start playing. So check it out for yourself, and let's get back to today's video. All right, welcome back. So we're going to take a look at my exit plan. We'll go over the sell targets. I'll go over the example. In this example, my average is 0.07 USD. That is my actual average, but I could own more, I could own less HBAR. In this example, I'm going to go with 100,000 HBAR. I actually don't tell people how much I hold or anything like that. I just don't want to make myself a target. And if we take a look at my first take profit level, it's usually around the same. I usually look for about a 10x where I'll take out my initial investment. So if my average is 7 cents, my initial investment would be 70 cents, and that would be $7,000. So that would be 10,000 HBAR. So I take 10,000 HBAR out at 70 cents, and that would be my initial investment. Then take profit 2. Well, before I get into that, what you do is your first TP is the initial investment, so you have 90K remaining, right? And then of that 90K, I'm going to be holding 3% for $100, 2% for $200, however long it takes us to get there. Keep in mind, it's only 3 and 2% for a reason. And then I'll be holding 1% forever. So that leaves me, after you subtract those and the initial investment, that leaves me with 84,600 HBAR remaining. So then my take profit 2, and then of that 84,600, that's what the 100% is comprised of. So 50 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10 is 100% of that 84,600 remaining. So TP2, I'll be taking 8,460 HBAR, and that'll be 10% of that at $1. That equals $8,460. Take profit 3, I'll be selling 16,920 HBAR. That'll be at $2, and that will be valued at 33,840. Take profit 4, 16,920 HBAR again because it's 20%, and that'll be at $5, which equals $84,600. Take profit 5, 42,300 HBAR, and that's at $507,000. Yeah, $507,600, and that would be 50% at $12 USD. So then if you add all of those up, that gives you a total of $634,500 plus $900 that I will be holding forever. So exciting times. This is just one crypto investment that I have. I've got XRP as well. That's like 80% of my entire crypto portfolio. And then I own probably like a dozen other cryptos. And then I have a stock portfolio, a real estate portfolio as well. So exciting times. This is just one project. Let me know your sell targets. Where do you think we can go this cycle? Are you holding some for, forever, $100? Always love hearing from you. All right, going in it there. It's Rod with POW Group. Thanks again for joining us in the pursuit of wealth, and we'll catch you on the next video.